aka the synthetic or man-made chemical industry. This is huge, very educational. Did you know that there are a lot of toxic and synthetic car air fresheners out there on the market? The problem is that these artificial scents can negatively affect your sinuses, larynx, bronchial tubes, lungs, and endocrine system when inhaled. The solution is using an essential oil car diffuser with your favorite doTERRA essential oils. This is going to be a natural, safe, effective, and affordable way to improve your mood and clean the air through aromatherapy in your car. When you're searching for an essential oil car diffuser, you want to ideally choose one that fits in your car cup holder, is USB powered, uses ultrasonic technology, and has LED lights. Not all essential oils are created equal though, which is why I choose doTERRA to make sure I'm actually supporting and not harming my health. Some doTERRA oils that I like to use include wild orange, lemon, On Guard, Serenity, and Balance. The citrus oils will be more uplifting to your mood. The On Guard blend will support your immune system, and using Balance and Serenity will be more calming and relaxing. The directions are simple. Simply add tap water up to the fill line of the diffuser, then add 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil or one of the ones that I mentioned, and then set the timer and LED lights if you want like a little light show in your car, especially at nighttime. When it comes to cleaning the outside of your car, especially the windows, since they can get smudgy with fingerprints or dust or, you know, raindrops that dry. I mean, there's lots of stuff that can happen on windshields on the outside or the inside. I like to use a glass spray bottle, fill it up with mostly tap water, and add about a teaspoon of white vinegar and a couple drops of the doTERRA lemon oil. All you do is spray and wipe clean with a microfiber cloth, but there's an easy way to do this, which I'll cover shortly. So why does this all matter though? Well, you have the most control of what you put on and in your body. Yeah. And this includes scents and aromas that are used in your car. Prolonged exposure to toxic, synthetic, or artificial chemicals can wreak havoc on your endocrine system, which helps regulate your metabolism, reproductive organs, blood pressure, appetite, and many other functions. So this is really important to factor into your day and consider with regards to your overall health. Whether you're commuting to work, traveling for a road trip, or vacation, it's important to use something natural when it comes to aromatherapy. I highly recommend watching the Netflix documentary called Stink, and then an exclamation point at the end. There you go. Where after noting a strange odor in his child's pajamas, a single dad's search for the source uncovered potentially toxic secrets of the chemical industry, aka the synthetic or man-made chemical industry. This is huge. Very educational documentary. Again, highly recommend watching it. Speaking of cleaning your car, but from the outside, I ordered a windshield cleaning tool from Amazon and it arrived within a few days and assembled it with ease. This windshield cleaning tool is a simple, extendable handheld rod with a microfiber cover that allows you to reach and clean your windshield with ease. Reaching into the hard-to-get areas with your favorite window cleaning solution has never been this quick and easy. This works best with the window cleaning spray recipe that I mentioned earlier, or simply just add a bit of water. The window cleaning tool can also be used to clean windows or glass around your house or office too. On top of all that, the microfiber material is washable and reusable, making it a sustainable and economic solution that is very versatile. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that uses air fresheners in their car or is looking for a simple window cleaning tool. Lastly, make sure to click the links below to learn about anything that I mentioned in today's video. And I'll see you in the next video.